Alright guys, I've been talking about adding a new car to the channel for a while, and today I finally got it. Talking about 01s for a while, and this came across my lap, and I had to jump on it, saw it, fell in love, went and looked at it, and so I got the next best thing, C6 Z06. Obviously it's cammed, it does have heads and a pro charger. Obviously, I'm sure you guys noticed that by now. It is on E, so yeah, this thing gets down. It makes some good power, at least compared to the V, and it's a lot lighter as well. So stay tuned for POVs and adventures, races with this. It's gonna be a good time. I am keeping the V for the channel, so I'll have both to contribute to the channel, and yeah, super excited. This is kind of a surreal day. Honestly, this is one of my dream cars, so it's really cool to have this and the V. I almost forgot before I let you guys go. I'm gonna take my wife for a drive, get her live reaction. She has not been in this thing yet, so yeah, let's go for a drive. All right, wifey's first time in the Z06. What's the fastest car you've been in?
Zach ZR1, I think.
Zach ZR1? Yeah. Okay. And this makes more power than his did. Yeah. So this is probably like the fastest car you've been in, yeah?
Yeah. I'm a little nervous.
Yeah. Yeah, it is getting dark, and I don't have a ton of experience with this yet. I haven't driven manual in a long time. I think last manual I drove was Zach ZR1, yeah, and that was a while ago. My first car was a manual. It was a 93 Toyota pickup. A lot of power in that thing. So yeah, it's been a while. No roasting me in the comments because I'm still getting used to it. And this crutch, this clutch is very aggressive. But yeah, go for a little rip. Ooh, and that's a big dip. Oh, yeah, we're not going that way, guys. I know, it sounds crazy. Yeah. Like, I'm used to, you know, the V's whine, but this is like, yeah, this is different. Never driven. I don't think I've ever even been in a pro charged car, so yeah. So yeah, this is crazy. Oh, that E smells so good. I think we'll rip it down this way. Used to it. I was spinning right there, like pretty bad.
That was like, felt like nothing.
It's still cold here too. It's like 40, 45 degrees out right now, so I'm getting no traction. It's on R888s, so can't get too crazy with it right now, but